Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil More. I am the student of BCA Data Science studying in Ajinkya DY Patil University, Pune. So today I am here to present my project based on data analytics using machine learning algorithms. My project title is Mobile Price Classifications. I have collected the data from Kaggle.com and cleaned it to classify various mobile prices according to the requirements. I have used random forest classifier for data analytics in Python and executed the code in Jupyter Notebook. So now I'm going to show the execution of code. Execution of code. I first started with importing the libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib and seaborn. Next step, I imported the dataset from a D drive which I downloaded from kaggle.com. Then I used train.head and test.head functions to see the first 5 columns. In the next step, we found the dimensions of data. And next, I used train.shape function to find the dimensions of data. Then I scrubbed and wrangled the data to clean the mess and clear the clutter so that we could visualize a pattern. After the data set was cleaned and ready, we determined the methods and techniques to draw the relationships between variables. Next step, I have used train.dtypes function to check the data types of the attributes. And next, I have tried to check the correlation among the features, as you can see. In the next step, I have done data visualization where we have multiple graphs and plots. First, we have graph of price range versus RAM. In this graph, we see that as the size of RAM increases, the price of phone also increases. Next, we have graph of price range versus ROM. Here also, as the size of ROM increases, the mobile price range also increases. Then we have a pie diagram which shows phones that support 3G or not. In this, we see in our dataset 76.2% phones support 3G and 23.8% doesn't support 3G. Next, we have a pie diagram which shows phones that support 4G or not. In this, we see in our dataset 52.1% phones support 4G and 47.9% phones doesn't support 4G. And then we have a histogram of price range versus battery power. In this graph, we see that as the battery power increases, the price range of the phone also increases. These relationships will set the base for the algorithm which we will implement in the next phase. Then we will develop the available dataset for training and testing purposes. I also analyzed random forest techniques to build a model and deploy our machine learning algorithm to extract the desired results with higher accuracy and precision. In random forest algorithm, step 1, first start with the selection of random samples from a given dataset. Step 2, next the algorithm will construct a decision tree for every sample. Then it will get the prediction results from every decision tree. Step 3, in this step, voting will be performed for every predicted result. Step 4, at last select the most voted prediction result as the final prediction result. Here, as you can see, the final predicted output in which price ranges are classified according to the specifications. Conclusion. Impact of project on market. The main aim of this project is to forecast the mobile prices so as to minimize the problems faced by the customers. The important reason for predicting mobile prices is the link between mobile costs and the user's budget. This model will help customers and sellers to invest in an appropriate device according to their mentioned requirements.